Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, YouTube family. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. Thanks for coming back to join me in another video. I hope everyone is doing well. So, what is today's video? Now, I'm an inventor and product developer. I'm many things, so do not let anyone put you into one box. Remember that. So again, behind me, you can see many patents, have trademarks, and have products that I have innovated and created over the years. Now, recently I was in ATL and I presented several of my products to Walmart. So this video specifically is on how you can create a retail product pitch deck. Now, a pitch deck is basically a blueprint, an overview on your products. So it will cover you, your business, and your products, and it will show you the retailer, who can be Walmart, Target, Whole Foods, Lowe's, Home Depot, etc., etc., the benefits of your product and why they should consider putting your products on their store shelves. So in this video, I'm going to go step by step on how you can create a professional product pitch deck that retailers will fall in love with. So let's talk about products. So if you're pitching a product to companies like Walmart, you need to have a shelf-ready product, meaning it should be in the packaging. You have the UPC code. It should be literally ready to be placed on the shelves. So example, product ready, UPC code. Example, product ready, packaging, UPC code. So that gives you an idea of what a product ready product looks like. Now, I'm going to do a PowerPoint, but this is the retail ready product pitch that I'm going to share with you guys. And this is a pitch deck, and this is what you will present to the buyer. And this will cover information about you, your company, and your products, and the benefits of your products, the cost of your products, etc. So in this video, again, we're going to cover how to create a professional retail product pitch deck. Now, you know how we do here. Let's share the screen and let's go. Welcome back, YouTube family. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD again with Finance Up. As I promised, I'm gonna share with you the pitch deck I shared or presented to Walmart. So page one will be an introduction of yourself and your company. It can be a picture of yourself, a logo of your company, etc. Here I have a picture of myself, introducing myself as ALFATIR CRAWFORD, founder, CEO of ALFATIR CRAWFORD, Inc. Page 2, who we are. Who are you? ALFATIR CRAWFORD, Inc. is recognized for creating affordable and fun interactive products for our dollar-conscious consumer. Our products are unique in delivery, but are very relatable to our customer experiences. We are the creatives. Page 3, our purpose, your purpose, to create affordable and fun products that are both unique and useful, all while creating a new relatable product experience for our customers. Page 4, our promise, your promise. Our promise is 100% customer happiness through fun product experiences. So you need to find out what your promise is. Page 5, an overview of our products with pictures, taken with our products placed in Walmart stores. So what I did was, so the buyer can see how my product will look on their shelves, I took my retail ready products and placed them in a category that I thought fits my products and took a picture of them on the Walmart shelves. So now the buyer has a chance to see how my product will look on their shelves. So again, this is an introduction of my products on how they will look and the placement in that retailer. So again, this is an overview, and as well, products are made in the US of A. Page 6, UPC code. If you have a product-ready product, it must contain a UPC code. Again, I shared with you what a UPC code look like. This is my certificate from GS1 showing the buyer that I do have UPC codes. If you are in the market for a UPC code, I suggest GS1. However, there are other companies that actually sell UPC codes. So this is page 6, showing the buyer that you have a UPC code for your product. Page 7. Now we're going to do an introduction of our products. So this is the first product that I introduced to the Walmart buyer. So I have an introduction of that product, introducing an affordable, fun, interactive, heartwarming greeting card, party gift, and souvenir that will stand out amongst products from Hallmark and American Greetings. So I went into the Walmart stores to find out who are the competition in my category. They were Hallmark and American Greetings. I went on further to expand on my product that it has sold over 5,000 units. Sales have more than doubled, 5 out of 5 stars on Shopify, and the product is made in the United States. I went on further to talk about store placement opportunities for my product. Those store placement opportunities included the greeting card section, the party gift section, the novelty, souvenir, and front-end merchandise sections, as well as the seasonal holiday item section for holidays like Thanksgiving. Page 8, I went on to talk more about the benefits of the wishbone. So I said the perfect gift for every occasion, a family game night surprise, a heartwarming gift for friends, a special moment with your partner, and a unique way to create memories. The wishbone brings people together in a truly magical way. Page 9. I introduced my second product to the Walmart buyer, which is the Toss and Hit baseball tee. So introducing an affordable, fun batting tee that will be a great addition amongst brands such as Rawlings and Athletic Works. I went on to talk about over 2,000 units sold. Sales have more than tripled, 5 out of 5 stars on Shopify, as well as the product being made in the United States. Then I talked about store placement opportunities. Those areas of store placement included sporting goods, softball, and baseball. Then I went on to expand more on the benefits of the product. Get ready for an exciting new batting experience. The ultimate game changer for baseball and softball. Perfect for your swing, self-toss drills. It fits any standard bat, making it must-have for players of all levels. Don't just play the game, dominate it. Boost hand-eye coordination, improve accuracy, supercharge batting speed. Page 11. Here is your closing. Again, ALFATIR CRAWFORD Inc. You want to make sure that you have your current contact information, phone number, websites, email addresses, and any social media that contains information about your product. So again, this has been an overview of how you can create a professional retail product pitch deck. There you have it, YouTube family. This has been a video on how you can create a professional product retail ready pitch deck. Again, this is ALFATIR Crawford with Finance Up. I hope everyone found this information beneficial, that you learned something, and that you can now create a professional retail ready product pitch deck. So again, this is ALFATIR Crawford. As always, thanks for the continued support. Please hit that like button, please share. And again, until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.